Oh dear, it appears that there are some weeds growing into the condenser. Jeez, it's improper condenser maintenance for you. Ow. I think there was like a weed, one of those prickly weeds. Okay, here's the York condensing unit again. A Bristol compressor, Bristol Reciprocating compressor. And for being a 3-ton, this unit's tiny, and this whole neighborhood has Yorks. This camera has 8x optical zoom, but I can't zoom during video, so it's pretty much worthless. But anyhow, it has a A.O. Smith fan motor, 3 blades, York, heating and air conditioning. The model number is H2RA036XSO6E, and the serial number is WCKM015749. So it's from May 7th, 2001, and it has a high side of 350 psig and a low side of 300 psig. And this thing takes quite a long time to build up head pressure in the summer, ironically. And it has 3 pounds 15 ounces of HCSC22 refrigerant. So all Yorks. And it's kind of small for the house, I'd say. I mean, this is actually the smallest model in the neighborhood, but still, it only has a 3-ton. Those are big houses. This house is big, but not the biggest model in the neighborhood. I'd say it's 2,500 square feet without the basement. About 3,000 with the finished part of the basement. That's the side of it. It's just an average 2-story. That's the biggest house in the neighborhood. That's the back of it. That's the back of their house. There it is. I'd say it's a pretty good unit. It's pretty quiet when it runs. Straight cool unit matched up with the York 80,000 BTU Diamond 80 gas furnace. York. 3-ton, 10 SEER, York Olympian Series, canned ham style. Exitome told me that this style is actually called the canned ham. Isn't that funny? Yeah, I like these units. Thanks for watching. Over and out. I'll get a picture of it when this junk is somewhat cleared away. Oh, the coil's like freaking deteriorating. Oh man, that's not good. Maybe I'll straighten these out for them. Oh, ow, that really hurt, Lord. Whatever. Thanks for watching. Over and out.